Welcome aboard the Queenstown bus. We were able to buy our bus passes on the bus. They're these little reloadable cards. The bus trip from the Kamana Lake House down to central Queenstown was super fast. The buses were safe and we really enjoyed it. I've just been informed that there are going to be fireworks tonight at 6:30 because of course there are. So the town is flooded with people. And we had churros that were great. We've been to a souvenir shop. I don't even know where Fergburger is at this point. I've just been walking around this town, but it's lovely. It's extremely touristy. Like, when I said that this place is Jackson on steroids, I think I was underselling how touristy it is. With lots of stores selling very warm puffer jackets. But it's fun.
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, they just need a giant rack.
Thing of antlers? We're about 25 minutes to fireworks. We found out that this is their first time doing fireworks since COVID ended. So that's why this is hopping tonight. We have our cream donut. And the cream has escaped a little bit. I got that because it reminded me of the donuts from Bread Ahead in London. And I got the Ferg pie, which is steak and onion. Phil is off getting drinks. And in here we have our Fergburger. I don't even remember which one I got. It'll say on the bag. Got the Mr. Big Stuff, because I knew we were splitting up. And an order of fries. Phil said the fries are really good. Oh, those are really good. So exciting. Phil's getting drinks now. prepared for it.
Yeah, it was. This is the counterpart.
I said it different.
The only thing about the fireworks show that made me sad was all of these ducks were very concerned and flapping around, and they're still mostly hiding under that bridge. But I did feel bad for the ducks.
Now they're patrolling.
Now, they're on duck patrol. Fun fact, if you don't like chocolate, there's literally only one thing at cookie time that you can have. That's ice cream. But Phil got cookies!